All right, guys, you might recognize this one. I recently did it, maybe 2 months ago. It's on another video. There's the table. You have to find it in my other video, but I'll do it again for you guys. Pick the door lock. All right, picked it. 4, 3. I'm losing it. 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. 3, 1. Code not found, only because that first cut, I just made one up. But see, now I just find it. But the first cut doesn't really matter. Hey, how's it going? Good. Your car? All right. I did it like 3 weeks ago, huh? Okay.
And unfortunately, they only got one camera at that apartment. It's right by the office, like right up front. So they saw like someone go into it, but like they didn't see who it was because they only got that one little camera around the whole apartment.
But you left the key inside the vehicle then?
Yeah, inside. So I left this key inside her car.
I see.
Like, cause I have, there was like beeps and stuff in there, but they didn't take it. So I'm assuming they saw it.
They probably were driving around the complex trying to find the car. I can erase it.
Yeah.
Cool. Just better safe than sorry, right?
Yeah. I was waiting to I mean, going into my car, I don't see why they would.
Yeah. You're asking the criminal to do a good deed, huh? Yeah. It's kind of tight. Did I not cut it right or something? Well, I can start programming the fob in the meantime. Oh, I can find everything for this car in my video. I can probably find the pin code too. I'll read it again just because I'm already in it. 0827. So I'm gonna erase all keys because his key was stolen. So we're gonna do the number of keys right now. If you check, it's gonna say, ooh, 5 keys. Look at that, guys. All right, we're gonna erase keys. Okay, all keys are erased. We're gonna do key learning. Oh, that time it took quick. All right, card number keys 1. Do you want to receive? No, we're done. Yeah, I checked the you know how many?
Yeah.
So I erased all of them.
Okay.
All right.